Hello beauties! I'm gonna take these off because I look like a fly. Hello beauties! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Crystal and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I wax my face. This is great for sensitive skin like mine. So let's get started. So I have already warmed up my wax. This is the GG hemp wax. I like it more than the other creamy based one. I feel like it sticks better. It's a microwavable wax. So you stick it in the microwave. I only stick it in for 30 seconds, then I take it out, break the seal, and then stick it in for another 15, so 45 seconds total, that's it. It doesn't have to be super hot. And what I've noticed is that the hotter it is on my face, the worse it is. Like my face gets super bumpy and really nasty, and I feel like if it's not as hot, it's a lot better. So first thing I'm gonna do is wash my face. To wash my face, I like to use the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. So I'm gonna go do that. So I've pulled my hair back, and now that I've washed and dried my face, I am gonna go on with this Pre-Han. It's the Pre-Wax Cleanser, and it's also from the GG, so it's a whole set. Before I forget to tell you guys, this is not a sponsored video. I'm not sponsored from any of these products. I bought all these products with my own money. It's just products that I really like to use and I feel really work for my sensitive skin. So I like to pour some of the Pre-Han onto a cotton ball, and then I just go over the areas. She a hairy bitch, so we're gonna do all this. I don't do my brows. I actually get those done by a professional because I'm not trying to look botched or nothing. So I buy the strips, the full-size strips, and then I just cut them into pieces like this and or like this, depending on what part of my body I'm gonna use it on. This is a new one. I dipped it in here today to break the seal. So it's brand new. I also buy the sticks at Sally's. All this you can find at Sally's. So I'm gonna start with my upper lip. So I go here. Ooh. Ready? It's not that bad actually. We've done this several times. Got a little redness right now. We're gonna leave it. Now I have a little bit of hairs left here on the edge. I'm only gonna put the wax on that edge, not all over it again because it's gonna irritate it more. Now, grabbing a new strip, I'm gonna only fold it because I'm only gonna need one side. Press it down. I don't know. Fold it so I can use the other side. Now, I am just going to fast forward you through the waxing with a couple of pulling satisfaction. And you don't have to put a huge, thick layer. Just a nice thin layer will do. Okay, so I am done with this side of my face, and I've come to find that these smaller strips, as opposed to like double the size, don't hurt as much. I feel like when the bigger it is, the more painful it is. Like this is not bad. It's just like beauty is pain. You want to apply it in a downwards motion, and also when you put your strip, you want to press it downwards as well. Also, when you tug it, before you tug it off, make sure you pull the skin slightly and then pull, because if it's soft, it's just gonna come with it, and that's how it's gonna be painful. Alright beauties, so at this point I am pretty much done with my waxing. I am going to use the wax off from my GG kit, and it's a wax remover. So I like to apply it directly to a cotton ball, and then I'm just going to go everywhere basically. And I would say I like to apply this generously. If you use the wax off generously, you will remove all of your wax. I used to like be so annoying with it, and I didn't want to use it a lot, so I would use very little, and then it would just stick and stay. And I was like, it's not working, but it's not that it's not working, it's that you are not working. Okay? So now that I've done that, I am going to just wash my face with water only, and I'm going to use cold water this time. Now I'm going to take my little shaving thingy, and I know I got this at TJ Maxx in a set of, it was a set of 3. So I'll give it like 2 or 3 uses, and then I'll toss it out. I don't like to cut off the sideburn because I feel like it looks really ugly, and this way, yeah, freaking hairy, oh well. I have a little bit of sideburn. It doesn't really bother me to have like this much going on, but it's a personal preference. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to brush down. You see all this peach fuzz, and mine is super dark. I like to go back here too because my fuzz back here is pretty dark. Gives me like a shadow, a weird shadow. And I will clean up here a bit too underneath, and then over the brow, and here a tiny bit. I just got my brows waxed, so I don't really need to go around my brows too much. But if it's been a minute, then yeah. I've noticed that this sideburn doesn't grow the same as this one, so I actually have to go into it a little bit more, just to even it out. So now that I am done with the shaving of the face, I'm gonna go in again with water and gently try to I don't like to rub my face, especially not right after. I like to gently just kind of pat it because my skin is so sensitive right after this. So yeah. Also, if you don't know why I just did that, it is to remove all that little peach fuzz that's maybe sticking. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to use the post-wax cooling gel. It's skin freshener. It says it contains aloe vera, cucumber, and menthol. So I really like how it feels on my skin. And this one I will apply a generous amount onto my hand and pat it right in the areas where I waxed. If you don't like the feeling of menthol, some people say that they feel like burning with any menthol, not with this. This one definitely has to me it's like a minty feeling, not a burning feeling. But if you don't like it, if you don't like that sensation, then I would definitely skip this and just do either aloe vera gel, which is super good on sensitive skin. I know I applied that other thing, but I'm also gonna apply this Ocean Potion Ice Skin Repair Soothing Gel, and I'm gonna put a nice layer on top. I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. I'm only gonna wash it off with warm water, and then once that is off, I'm just gonna apply my regular moisturizer, marula oil, and BB Hydra. Sorry, I had to think about it. I was like, what is it called? Yeah, I'm gonna apply that, and then just go to bed later, because it's 6:30 barely. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then tomorrow I'm gonna do just like a hydrating mask. I was gonna say cooling mask, it's not a cooling mask. I'm gonna do this hydrating coconut gel sheet mask tomorrow. And then in like 3 days after that, I'm gonna do another mask, probably the Tatcha purple mask. I can't remember what it's called. Violet C Radiance Mask. People say that it's like vibrant. I don't know, it creates like, makes you look lighter, which doesn't, in my opinion. I feel like it literally just clears my skin out. So I mean, if you feel like there's another one that's good for you, that's also like kind of hydrating and helps clear your skin, use it. It's going to help reduce the redness and the bumps and all that crazy stuff that comes with waxing when you have sensitive skin. Alright beauties, thank you so much for joining me in this waxing, shaving tutorial. I hope you guys found some of those tips helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time beauties.